Oh, hello, welcome back to Plumbing College. Today's lesson is pipe bending for complete beginners. Bending pipe has many advantages over fittings. No joints, so no leaks. Less resistance in the pipe, so better flow rates. And when you know how, it's a lot quicker. And you also save money by using less fittings on your job. Scissor pipe benders have two sides to them. One side for 15mm pipe and the other side for 22mm pipe. Parts of the pipe bender, we have the former, 15mm and 22mm former, the roller, the stop and the guides, 15mm and 22mm. Let's look at 15mm pipe first. Insert the 15mm pipe into the 15mm former, close the stop and insert the guide. When bending 15mm pipe, make sure the arm that has not got the roller on is on the surface. This helps with leverage. Bending 22mm copper pipe. Using the 22mm former, place the pipe in the former, place the stop onto the copper pipe and then insert the guide. In colleges, when learning to pipe bend, you may be given flexible metal tube to practice with because it's a lot cheaper than copper and it can be reused. Let me show you. When starting out pipe bending, focus on three angles, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Let me show you. Right. If you scratch the pipe like this, this gives us the centre. So we're going to bend this to this for 30 degrees. To bend in 45 degrees, okay, so it's the second mark. So, right, if you, the scratch gives you the top of the pipe. So 45 degrees. To bend in 90 degrees, so this time the centre of the pipe needs to touch that mark. So again, if we scratch the top of the pipe and we bend it round, so 90 degrees. Check your work against known angles. This will check the accuracy of your bending or pick up any tolerance issues with the pipe bender. When bending pipe, it's always better to underbend it than overbend it. If you do underbend it, always put it back in the pipe bender to bend it a bit more. Never bend it by hand like this because it can cause throating, which will restrict the flow rate of water or gas in the pipe, and the teacher can always tell that you've done this. Can you spot what pipe has been bent by hand? Now you know how to bend pipe, it's your turn to have a go.